Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with another IAAI walk around video thanks to my good friends and the general manager here at the Tulsa location. Lots of cool cars and trucks and even semis and RVs down the way. Available to you as the public and also to car dealers as well. We're going to start off with a car that is certainly in my wheelhouse, and I can tell you two things that are going to be wrong with it, and I just walked up. I have no idea, but I really think I know about two things going to be wrong with that Mercedes right there. It's the next day. Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
There she is. Yep, it's a red C-Class Mercedes. So we know two things. One, there's going to be clear coat issues. Two, some of the interior door handles will probably be broken. That's been the case. Every C-Class I've had has had at least one broken inside door handle. They're easy to get, $50, $75. You put it on and you're good to go. The plastic gets brittle and it breaks when you try to close the door. And of course, being red, lots of clear coat issues, okay? Every red Mercedes I've ever owned, every version of red, I don't know why, they just cannot hold the clear coat, see? Here we go. This is kind of minor. I have seen much worse. Maybe it's just because it's a red color. Yeah, maybe this is the compressor. Oh, this is the C240 compressor. Okay, well, we'll tell you about that in just a little bit. But let's take a look at the inside and see what's going on. This is very inexpensive. I want to say this is like $9.50 buy it now, I think. You'll need a seat. You'll definitely need a seat. Ugh. Okay. These are good cars when you get in them. Okay, remove the key. There you go. Thank you. Sometimes people just leave these in here. Okay. This is the part I'm talking about. This is good. That one is good right there. I don't know about the back ones because I can't see it. This, okay, is another common issue. Ugh, yeah, that just gets some, anyway, yeah, fabric and glue and fix that. Windshield is cracked. Turn signal, right mirror issue. Okay, let's just kind of see what happens. It does have power. Let's just see if she's going to do anything. Oh, she's got a little bit of gas left. Yeah, but I got to tell you that these compressors, they're not the smoothest running engine. They really aren't. I mean, they're good engines. They're just not the smoothest. I'd rather have the V6. Okay. Check the coolant level. That could be troublesome as well, too. Now she's... Okay, well, now she sounds better. Let's just kind of see what's going on. These are little cars, but they're great for kids, for a college car, even for old guys like me. They're fun cars. Okay. Oh, they have it. Here we go. Come on. There it is. Yep. There's your compressor. Okay. See, it is a little rough. It is idling a little rough. But it's a straight 4 with the supercharger. Hold on. Switching arms. The hood's a little hot. Yeah, down into there. And I had one of these before. I had an SLK 230 and I re-oiled the compressor. You get the special oil. And it helped a little bit. That could probably help this car though. But it runs. It really runs. You do need some coolant. So let's just kind of see. I'm going to balance this on my head. I can't even get it off. Okay. Belt looks pretty good. These are fun cars, but they are what they are. And it used to have this. The pictures show the grill. Someone has removed that, fortunately, so we can get inside. How about these door handles? First time ever. All 4 door handles. And this is an indicator of your problem. Okay. But, you know, for 950 bucks, plus the cost of 2 seats, and some miscellaneous pieces, and a windshield, and some clear coat issues, it'd be a good little car. Okay, oil sensor, right turn signal, mirror, coolant check level, oil sensor malfunction, visit. Okay, what about the windows? Yep, all the windows seem to work. Man, the seat's way down there. Somebody tall had this car. Okay. Well, here you go. One inexpensive C-Class Mercedes compressor with some issues. Let's continue with our Mercedes theme. How about a beautiful burgundy ML350? Love these cars. Yep, I have a friend who's a sportscaster, and I fixed his air conditioning compressor, and it was so easy. It was so easy in this car. Okay, this one is a 2009. The window apparently has an issue. We had it taped closed for a little while. Damage on the outside. Well, other than our wheel. Okay, I don't see much damage listed on this car. Okay, a lot of this is come off of this. Okay, but the paint looks to be in excellent condition. Full-time 4-wheel drive for Matic, which is really, really cool. Look at the butterfly. Okay, and in really good shape. Let's take a look at the inside. Okay, well, this could be the dirtiest car that I've ever seen. Ever. Look at this. Holy guacamole. Okay, this was not expected at all. Okay, it's even started at some rust right there on the floor. Wow, but I see a good cleaning. That's all she needs is a good cleaning. Holy moly. Is there a... Yeah, this isn't going to work. I'm sure there's no battery. No juice in the battery. Oh my goodness. Wow. I don't want to sit in it. I really don't. This car, how bad is it? Oh wait. Yeah, there's no... The battery's gone. But below the dirt, below all the dirt, yeah, maybe there's a good car. Woo! Okay, very quickly, let's just kind of look at the engine and see what's going on. Okay, you could probably get this for very little money. Send it to a cleaner, because I wouldn't touch that. Well, I would, but the uppity Mike wouldn't. And have them clean it. Here we go. Good old V6. Now the question is, what's wrong with the car? Here's an indicator. Maybe we have some power steering fluid, so we could have a leak there. Does this have the balance shaft issue problem? Maybe. Let's put that back. Okay. Let's just kind of see what this is. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Okay. What do you see? I see a timing chain. I don't see milkshake though. Okay. What about the antifreeze? Let's just kind of see what's in here. There is. Okay, that's a good sign. So, what's the dealio? A flood car? Maybe? Probably? The world's dirtiest owner? I don't know. I really don't know. What does this say? Runs and drives, starts, something, 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 something. This is a iffy car. This is definitely an iffy purchase, but it is literally the dirtiest car ever. Ever. With that being said, I'm going to go check out how much the bidding is and see, because you could bring this back to life. Person did smoke. That's okay. You could bring this back to life. I guarantee it. If only I knew how much was on the odometer. I need to know the miles. No bad vibes, exactly. There's no bad vibes from this car. Wow. And now for something completely different. Yep, I've been wanting to take a look at these right here. Yeah, check out the new Bronco. The Badlands. The Bronco Badlands. Already, this has had some issues. Nothing too major on this side. Well, okay, damage is getting worse as we walk and walk and walk and walk. And we have some issues. Look at all the X's. X marks the spot. Yes, sir. Man, what do you think about the new Bronco? Do you like them? Do you not like them? I don't know. They're different. I'll give you that. They kind of look like the new Range Rover, what is it, the Discovery, the new one that's made to look old. Yeah. So let's just kind of take a walk around and see what is good and what is not. We can't get in it. I bet it's dead. I bet it is dead. Doggone it. Okay, we can't get in that door. We can show you this. Oh, there's a baby. Let's go on the other side. Oh, this is going to be a nice interior. This is going to be nice. I can just tell. This one was loaded. Here we go. Voila. Ooh, two-tone. Two-tone. Even, look at that. Three different materials used in the seats. Okay, this person was a smoker, which is fine. I haven't seen the inside of these. You get your bucking Bronco right there. All kinds of airbags went off. Even one for your ankles. And she's dead. She is really, really dead. Okay, we got a screen. Infotainment center right there. Here's your selector. All kinds of transmission things. Four-wheel drive, hill descent, off. Goat modes. Goat modes and a dirty knuckle. Okay. This is what your key looks like for the Ford Bronco. That's fancy. But these seats are nice. These are really, really nice. And these people had all kinds of kids. They got a big car seat and a car seat for a smaller kid. Okay. Nice moonroof. And let's check out the back seat real quick. I can't open the door the whole way because the fender. We have an issue with the fender. I don't know about these. I'm sure these look kind of cheapy to me. That's just me though. Don't hate. Don't hate. So you got 3 different car seats for 3 kids. Yeah, okay. But this is nice. This is really nice. And parts of your bumper are in the back part of the car. These are little cars. They're littler than I thought. They really are. I do like the black on top with, once again, silver on the bottoms. Okay, this is the, what year is this one? How much is a headlight or 2 going to be? This is a 2021 Ford Bronco. Kapow! Okay, what do you think? Should the Bronco be the one? Should the ML 350, the world's dirtiest car, be the one? Or should I get that little red Mercedes? I like the Mercedes. I really like that ML 350. That would be, how much fun would that be to clean that up and then see if it starts and see if it had the balance issue? I don't know. Decisions. Easy to find the location here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. There are thousands, well, not thousands, there's hundreds of IAAI auto auction locations around the country. So please check them out if you're interested in a car. We are back with another video very, very soon. As I say goodbye, I'm going to go check out, the ML 350, do a little more investigating. Maybe it'll come home with me. The auction is tomorrow. We'll see what it's listed for and how much she goes for tomorrow. I could have another car by then. Kind of tempting, really tempting. Okay, have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.